So I am here in the Eat, Pray, Love house. There's the bed. How amazing is this?
Make the habit of sleeping with your front door wide open.
Be nice sleeping in here tonight. This is a big deal for me. 5 years ago, 6 years ago, I separated, divorced. So I've been waiting for my Eat, Pray, Love moment, and while I'm in Bali, I had to come and stay here, didn't I?
I want to go someplace where I can marvel at something.
This is the actual house that Julia Roberts stayed in, well, she filmed in, as to say where this is where she was staying, where Javier would come and visit her.
You don't need a man, Liz. You need a champion.
It's on Airbnb. I will leave the link in the description. So who would love to have a little look around this legendary villa out of the film Eat, Pray, Love? Just before we do that, it would be great if you could subscribe to support the channel. Really appreciate it. Thank you so much. So first you start by entering through these beautiful wooden carved Indonesian doors in this beautiful red and gold, and you've got the official Eat, Pray, Love sign. And you walk up these beautiful stone steps, which you may recognise from the scene where she asks him to go for coffee.
Hey, Mr. Tour Guide. We start with a coffee.
And you walk up the steps into this lovely, spacious outdoor living area with this great big dining table. Property is just surrounded by beautiful, lush greenery, paddy fields, practically the whole way around the house. Then you've got this beautiful pond with fish in. It's got lily pads and stepping stones that take you up to the outdoor gazebo. So this pagoda thing here is where she sits to try and meditate. There's the bungalow and the bike. The bike's there. I'll show you the bike. I'll show you the bike now. The lady that showed me around was lovely. It's really detailed. Helped the taxi to find me. Okay, before we head inside, this is the outdoor kitchen. A nice little mini bar with, of course, you've got to have a bintang while you're there in Bali. Got tea and coffee making facilities. Plenty of tea and coffee. Coffee machine. Got a toaster, water machine with cold and room temperature water. You know, you've got everything that you need in a functioning kitchen. Like loads of equipment, chopping boards and dustpan and brush. So many cups and glasses and cutlery that you would ever need. Like, I'm here on my own. So there's plenty. Gotta get that beer open. And how cute is this stove with a cute little orange kettle? And look at that outdoor bath. Some nice seating area. Here. Right, let's have a look inside. Oh, it really was beautiful. Look at the beautiful elephant door handles. Loads of lovely little details all throughout. And there is the bed. So it's obviously slightly different from in the movie, because this is a wooden bed. In the movie it's an iron bed. Gorgeous mirror where she gets ready for a night out. And floor to ceiling windows where you just have that beautiful view of the rice fields. Beautiful artwork all around the house. The bed was really comfortable and obviously had the lovely material. What are these called? don't know what they're called. Lots and lots of nods to the film all throughout. You got Katuk's artwork, you've got pictures of Julia, you know, all things Bali. Love. Got a big stack of the Eat, Pray, Love books in different languages. So these are cute little cards that they have in the Airbnb. There he is, old Javier. I mean, how cool is that photo holder? Oh, it's the chairs out there. So stood at the porch looking down. Oh look, there's me. I have been told I do look like Julia Roberts in the past. Let's see. That one. Excuse the mess, obviously. There it is. And here's the bathroom. Very lovely, clean, simple, nice waterfall shower head. Again, lovely artwork. Clean as a whistle. You can see a little bit of the outside there, that outdoor bathtub. I think you can arrange to have that, you know, filled with petals like Bali style. Just ask the Airbnb host. Gorgeous rug. Again, just cute little pictures of the movie throughout. That's this great wooden staircase that goes up to this beautiful like loft space. Just wait for this. It just gives you the most amazing view of the bedroom downstairs. Look at that. Oh, how amazing is that? It's so nice. Just has a real nice peaceful feel to it. Even if you're not into the movie, it's just a really nice place to stay. But if you loved the movie and you're in Ubud in Bali, I'd really recommend staying there. I got a takeaway, got the movie on my laptop. It's happening, guys. I'm gonna watch it while I'm So I hope you enjoyed that little tour around the actual film location of the Bali house in Eat, Pray, Love, and I'll see you next time.